welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. Today's video is going to be a super real, super, what is the word, relatable, what I ate in a day video. I am busy. I just got back from vacation. Okay, I just got back from Cancun. If you guys follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, you should. I spent a week in Cancun, so I'm just starting to get back into the reality. You know, it was a really nice holiday. I went on an all-inclusive holiday and it was actually very nice. I got to be lazy all week, which is the dream. So it was really great, and the weather was fantastic. Over here there is snow on the ground. Yes, okay, hello December. So today I wanted to do a what I ate in a day video, and I'm gonna keep it super real with you guys, okay? Not that I fake anything. And what I mean by that is, I mean, usually as a YouTuber, of course we want to be authentic and real and all that stuff. At the same time, we need to make the video informative or entertaining or helpful. So that's the kind of balance that we need to find. You know what I'm saying? Today, it's gonna be realistic. I'm just gonna show you guys like what I'm actually gonna eat, even if I wasn't gonna be filming. So I already had a smoothie. I haven't had time to go grocery shopping. So basically I just had a very simple smoothie, frozen bananas, almond milk, protein powder, and frozen berries. That's pretty much it. So that was my breakfast, and before we continue on with lunch, I want to let you know that today's video is very kindly sponsored by FOLANE. FOLANE is of course a very awesome cosmetics company that focuses on non-toxic and natural beauty. All of their products go through a rigorous 5-step process to make sure they are 100% non-toxic. So this would be a really great place to shop for the holidays if you are looking for some really nice gifts that are high quality and you also know that they are non-toxic, so you can feel good about giving these to people that you love. They have products for all skin types and all ages, so it's a really great place to do your holiday shopping if this is something that you are interested in. Today I want to talk specifically about the Healthy Hydration Kit. I don't know about you guys, but I live in a climate that is cold and very dry. So in the winter, I am all about the hydration, okay? I need as much hydration as possible. So let me give you guys a little overview of what is included in this kit.
The kit includes a gentle hydrating cleanser by Pai, Herbivore Botanicals Rose Hibiscus Toner, which smells so good and is super refreshing, and the Indie Lee Squalane Oil, which works as a moisturizer, and I love this. It absorbs so well and it's super hydrating. You'll also get a skin cleansing cloth and a travel pouch.
So for the first 100 people to click the link down below, you will get this kit for only $29 plus free shipping. So that's 45% off because the regular price is $55. So if you are interested in this kit, definitely check out that link down below. So thank you so much to FOLANE for sponsoring this video. Now, fast forward to lunch.
In the afternoon, I had to work at my cafe, and as soon as I got there, I had to have lunch first. You know what I'm saying? So what I ate was our special of the day, which sometimes we have, and it is the kimchi hot dog. And this is probably one of our most popular specials that we've ever done, so we always bring it back whenever we can. And on the side, I had a bowl of creamy tomato soup. Again, that is part of our specials menu. Sometimes we have that soup available and it is so good. We make it out of fresh, real tomatoes. So there's my lunch. Oh, and I also had a cup of black coffee or Americano. For a snack, I had one of our blueberry oat muffins, and I love these muffins. They're so yummy and they're really healthy. This is actually not a fresh one. It was in the freezer, okay? This is the reality of my life. I just eat leftover foods from my cafe. But in all seriousness, it still tastes so good once I heat it up, so I'm just enjoying that. I also had another snack. This is my favorite type of snack. These are edamame beans that I heated up. So frozen edamame beans that I heated up in the microwave, and I'm making them super fancy by adding some seaweed as well as some toasted sesame seeds. And I also just kind of seasoned it with a bit of salt. And there you have my fancy edamame snack. Hi, Oji. Hi, you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? I missed you too. I missed you too.
Whew! Hey guys, so I just got home and it is now 6:40 p.m. my friends. Homegirl needs to eat some dinner. I was at the cafe pretty much all afternoon. I'm actually gonna have a little pre-dinner snack. These are salad rolls. These are the avocado salad they're the avocado salad rolls from my cafe. They were left over because we make these fresh every day. So sometimes some of them are left over and we don't keep them overnight. So I get to eat them. Not a bad plan. But I'm also going to make some dinner because this isn't enough for me, okay? So yeah, I'm actually going to make a dinner right now while I snack on the salad rolls. And I'm actually going to be making some green curry. Now, luckily for me, I have a green curry that's already made. So I just need to add some veggies in there and some protein, and I have some rice. So I actually defrosted this yesterday and I'm so thankful I did. So I got some rice that I defrosted yesterday, yay! And here is the green curry. So this is from a local vegan, a fellow vegan cafe, and they specialize in like Thai cuisine. I bought this a really long time ago and I just haven't had a chance to eat it. It's been in my freezer and yesterday I saw it and I was like, well, I'm gonna eat that tomorrow. So that thing broke. There's part plastic in here. So this is gonna be my base, and then I'm just gonna add some veggies and some protein and just make a very, very quick green curry with the green curry that's already made. So that's gonna be really simple. So I'm gonna actually make this and add some veggies and stuff that I stole from the cafe. Okay, yeah, because I was like, I don't have time. This is what I often do, okay? I take veggies from my cafe and I bring a little bit over and I just cook with it because I couldn't be bothered to go grocery shopping, even though I still had to go to the grocery store. You don't wanna hear my life story, okay? And I also remembered I have some onion left over, so we're gonna use that as well. Oh gee, are you just hoping I'm gonna drop food? And I also have some tomatoes. Tomato. I'm gonna eat a piece. It's too watery. So here are the veggies I'm adding to the green curry. I'm just gonna cook the onion first and then add in the broccoli and mushroom, and then add tomato at the end, and then add the pre-made green curry. For protein, I found some chickpea tofu that I made for a video. The video is up live already, so I'll link that down below. This is just very, very simple. It's like basically a chickpea based tofu that you can make and use it as kind of a tofu. So I'm gonna add that in there. And I also found some black beans that were frozen, so I'm gonna add the black beans into the dish as well, so we have lots of protein. Yeah, let's get going. That looks pretty decent. It smells really, really good. I also had some random crumbled up tofu that I just added in there. So that's why it looks a little crumbly. But oh my gosh, looks pretty good. That was really easy. It's nice to have just curry just ready to go. I don't have to add any seasonings. I just have to add veggies and protein. I have some wild rice left over. I generally just always eat leftovers when I'm eating on a random day. I'm actually quite full from that. I'm not full, but like those salad rolls actually filled me up quite a bit. More than I thought they would. And there you have my very quick and easy dinner. Let me show you close up. So it really doesn't look like much, but that's green curry for you. It's never gonna look like some amazing thing, but green curry is so good. I'm very excited to eat this. Yay! There is my dinner.
12 seconds later.
And that is how it's done.
Whew, guys, I am full. That was so good, guys. Honestly, I want to eat more, but I am full, so I probably should not eat more. You know what I'm saying? Okay. My mouth is doing that thing where she doesn't want to listen to the stomach, you know? It's like the stomach is full and my mouth is just like, what? But I am going to try to not eat anymore because if I eat more, I will feel uncomfortably full. OG, what are you eating? Actually, let me know. I'm gonna put a poll here. I don't know if it's here or here. Which one do you prefer? Look, who is this? Hi, OG. Oh my God. Do you prefer the more structured, recipe-based, informational, educational, what I ate in a day videos, or do you prefer the more kind of realistic, chilled out, on-the-go type of what I ate in a day videos? Oh my gosh. OG. Let me know. I'm gonna put a poll here. I mean, let's be honest, guys. I know you all like both, okay? But what is your preference? So that's pretty much what I ate today. If I eat anything more, I'll show you, but I don't think I will. Thank you so much to Full Lane once again for sponsoring this video. Check out the link down below, guys, to get your healthy hydration kit to make sure you are well hydrated for this winter. Again, you can get it for only $29 and free shipping for my US viewers. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, of course, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!